To show or hide download on Start Next to the Power button in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize, and then tap or click Start, select Folders, and then on Download, tap Switch until On. To show downloads on Start Next to the Power button, or tap Switch until Off to hide. If you turn on, you can see download in here, download, and if you want to hide tabs, download switch until off. Then you cannot find download in here. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.